In this session, we are focusing on Arc Elasticity of Demand and Income Elasticity of Demand. We'll first start with Arc Elasticity of Demand by looking at the next example. So Arc Elasticity of Demand, it calculates elasticity over a range of prices instead of at 2 points. So it's over a range of prices. So let us look at this example. A candy store, it purchases 320 packs of candy at $70. So the price per pack, it decreases to $45, and the candy store now purchases 420 packs of candy. Calculate the price elasticity of demand using the Arc Elasticity method. So the important thing when it comes to the Arc Elasticity method is to know which one is your Q1 and Q2 and P1 and P2. So we can see here that our Q1 is 320 and P1 is $70. Our Q2 is 420 and P2 is $45. It's always nice to put it just in a column so that you can just easily plot it into your equation. And the equation for our Arc Elasticity of Demand is Q2 minus Q1 divided by the sum of Q2 and Q1 divided by 2. Divide this whole equation by P2 minus P1. Divide P2 plus P1 divide by 2. So let us plot these numbers, or when we plot these numbers into the equation, this is what we get. 420 minus 320 divide by 420 plus 320 divide by 2 divide by 45 minus 70 divide by the sum of 45 and 70 divide by 2. And 420 minus 320, it's 100. 420 plus 320 divide by 2 gives us 370. And 45 minus 70 gives us 25. 45 plus 70 divided by 2 gives us 57.5. And it gives us E equals to 0.2.7 divided by 0.43, and our elasticity, arc elasticity, is 0.62. I hope this makes sense. If there is something you do not understand, please put it in the comment section, and remember to like and subscribe. Let us now move to the income elasticity of demand. Let us look at this example. The income elasticity of demand, it measures the sensitivity of quantity demanded when income changes by 1%, right? So a lady's income increases. It increases from $2,500 per week to $3,200. As a result, she increases her consumption of red meat from 180 gram to 220 gram. However, her consumption of burgers decreases from 120 to 83 gram a week. So firstly, we are required to calculate the income elasticity of red meat and burgers. So we know that income elasticity equals to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1, that is a percentage change in quantity demanded. All this divide by a percentage change in income. So that is I2 minus I1 divided by I1. This gives us, now we're calculating for red meat first. We know that when it comes to red meat, quantity demanded increases from 180 to 220. So Q2 is 220 minus 180 divided by 180. So we divide this by a change in income, which is 3,200. This is I2 minus 2,005, which is I1, divided by 25. And this gives us 40 divided by 180. All of this divided by 700, divide by 25, and it gives us income elasticity of 0.79. So let's calculate the income elasticity for beggars. So when it comes to beggars, we know that it changes from the quantity demanded as income increases. It's from 120 gram to 83 grams. So this is Q2. So it's 83 minus 120 divided by 120. And income, change in income is 3,002 minus 25 divided by 25. And that gives us minus 37 divided by 120, all this here divided by 700, divided by 25, giving us elasticity of minus 1.1. And secondly, we are required that given the results in one, to identify what type of goods red meat and beggars are. So when we look at red meat, we can see just from the question that as income increases from 2.5 to 3.2, the consumption of red meat increases from 180 gram to 220 gram. That, ladies and gentlemen, already tells us that it is a normal good. It is a normal good because as income increases, quantity demanded increases. However, when we also look at our answer here of 0.79, it's a positive answer. It's a positive elasticity. So because our elasticity is positive here, therefore it is a normal good. What about beggars? So beggars, the elasticity, our answer here is minus 1.1. It is negative, making it an inferior good. But also, when you look at the question itself, as income increases from $25 to $3,200, the quantity, the consumption of beggars decreases from 120 to 83 gram, making it an inferior good. That is, as income increases, quantity demanded decreases. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, is your homework. So please read the question and then after that, calculate the price elasticity of demand using the Arc formula. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and leave comments. Leave your answer in the comment section and I will definitely mark it. Thank you. Have a good day.